Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Usman Rashid and I have done matriculation from Self Defense Formation School in Science and intermediate from TECH Education Foundation College in pre-medical. Then pursued my career as a pharmacist and got enrolled in PharmD program from Hamdard University, Karachi, and worked hard to achieve 3.5 CGPA and then passing out from 2018 December 2018. After passing out, I got an ambitious opportunity in Abbott Laboratory to work as a salesperson in hopes to enter the marketing field. I aspire to become a sound marketeer, and to achieve that I want to get admission from the best business institute of Pakistan, that is IOBM. I am chasing this dream to become a marketeer because I like to interact with people and inspire and get inspired by them. Due to that reason, I have always worked on my social skills in university life and have been involved in different non-profit social organizations like Future Helping Hand and Help International Welfare Trust, where I served different blood donation drives and thalassemia awareness program. I was a manager in career counseling in Future Helping Hand and also help in participating in different MCAT ECAT tests for every year for youngsters for ushering their field. I am applying an MBA in Health and Hospital Management. Being a pharmacist, I opted this field because I want to learn and synchronize management skills and principle of healthcare service together and ultimately serve my organization as well as country in most optimal way possible. By entering this field, I want to keep myself updated with the latest marketing trends, strategies and different scenarios that is applicable for creating brand value as well as customer value and new techniques that is applicable in different scenarios. And I'm pretty sure that IOBM will not only groom me as educationally as well as profession, will aid me in achieving that in most efficient way. After graduation, I want to implement the principle that I have learned from IOBM and synchronize with what I have learned in PharmD and to become an industrious marketeer and ultimately serve my organization as well as my country. Every step I have taken, from playing a pivotal role in volunteering organization and to working in Abbott to become a commendable marketeer and then getting admission in IOBM, will aid me in achieving my aspiration. IOBM not only have a top qualified professor, also have a worth of degree in market, excellent guidance from the teacher, corporate relationship and strong network of alumni and learning environment of IOBM. So I am deeply smitten by the learning environment and extracurricular activities provided by this institute, and I am positive that getting MBA from IOBM and to help in achieving my goals and to become a competent marketer, I will feel so proud that I am a graduate of IOBM.